All right, boys. Well, good morning from Ebisu. Let the day begin. How's it look?
That's impressive.
Merkin, what do you think?
Can't walk there.
I'm saying this is the most Irish situation. Just a bunch of lads sitting here judging them how to use a machine. Like,
Doing it wrong.
yeah, how would you do it, huh?
You just drive it off.
You guys are having way too much fun talking
I
smack.
want to sling. I want to be fucking here in a minute.
What do you think?
I don't know what it's going to get.
Don't want the pressure here. Oh boy. You should start taking bets.
I don't stand there with the controller. Right?
What the fuck?
He flushed it out. He thought about it. This man's been doing this longer than you've been alive.
This could go. Oh.
Oh,
Hey.
ooh, good position, boys. As soon as this lifts off, though, it's gonna swing.
I say he'll extend the jib. Definitely extend the jib. Oh.
Oh, they're doing great.
He makes it.
Put it on the back of the truck and bring it
Oh, dude, they knew what they were doing. You were talking all this smack.
You guys seem disappointed.
down. He was listening to us give out. That's why he changed it.
Like nothing ever happened. Let's go drive.
Finally.
Very easy to do that, by the way. I almost did it last year, so.
All right. Not sorry, madness. So it's like the end of the day. I had this whole video idea. Went to shit. Had to work on the car. We got an hour left. I'm gonna do some filming, have some fun. So one of the cool things about this trip is Chelsea's been with us. So we got to do a lot of laps with Chelsea. It's been amazing.
Oh my goodness. That was. Jesus.
All right. So, unfortunately, that's Goblo's car. And unfortunately, again, he crashed in the same exact spot about 35 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, he's stuck.
Opa.
All right.
Yeah, so we're going to just go have some fun. Okay, like I was saying, it's been sick having Chelsea here. We've had some... Okay, hold on. Public service announcement.
Yeah.
If you come to Ebisu and come driving, we love this place so much, man.
Yeah.
If you see someone broken down on track, just stop drifting so we can get them off track and keep drifting.
It's hard because there's not a lot of things are physically enforced, so it feels like you can get away with anything. So you have to be on your best behavior about common courtesy.
It's like, it sucks because we know there's no rules, really.
Yeah, which means you have to kind of govern it.
You have to govern it.
So-
and like, we love this place. I could cry. I could cry. I love this place so much.
Yeah. Chelsea's been here. It's been sick. We've been able to drive all weekend. We've all been going crazy. But we also got Reese here, which is really cool. FD Judge Reese. Oh.
Drives my Japanese drift car.
We're gonna have Reese judge us.
For right now?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's do it. I'll dust you.
Oh God.
I
haven't been driving.
Hey, Reese.
I gotta shake my legs off.
Jimmy and I are having
So I wanted to do Toge battles with Grant because he's been badass.
Yeah.
We killed it on Toge yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gangster. He's scared, so we're gonna just drive on north, and you're gonna come with us.
We're going to drive north?
You're gonna come with me, and you're gonna judge us.
Oh, okay. Or north. Sure, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right.
I need a helmet on.
Yeah, you'll come with me, and you're gonna be my filmer and my judger.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Crazy. I need you to really dissect Grant's driving. Really let him have it. Be nice to me, but all right. Let's smoke him.
Let's do it.
All right, Reese, you gotta hold that because I gotta drive. Brand new tires. Here we go. Get the action, all right?
All right, here we go, dude.
on that one.
You got that, dude.
I got a little excited. He slowed down on me, that's what it was. He was playing the fast guy and he got slow. That was kind of silly. So damn fast. You. That was mad funny, huh?
That was awesome. Yo, your car's fast as fuck, bro.
I tried so hard.
Okay, cool. Who won?
You did.
You won.
Yeah.
Now, go!
For sure.
Do I get an honorable mention, please?
Oh, 100%. He did amazing work to keep up with you.
I drove at 127%.
And we felt every last bit of that 27. You know what I mean? Like,
I transitioned here, and you waited to get on power, and
Yeah.
I just kept hitting and hitting and hitting.
I know.
And then we went, and I was like, bing, bing.
So mad.
That, Jimmy, you are my favorite person driving. That was so amazing.
It drives me mad. So I was telling you, since day one, your car's fast. And so I was telling Reese how whenever I go and drive with anyone else, it's the most cake work ever, and I'm the biggest bully. But with you, ask Reese, I had to do things and put my car in places that I should have never been.
Really?
yo, he was
Dude,
like,
you spun us, and I'm like, this.
and he had to, because if he doesn't get in there,
I know,
there was
he's
no
done,
shot.
yeah.
You know, half your wheels off, right?
When did you do that?
You see that? I'm looking at it as I'm like,
You hit me that hard? Other side. No, that side, you're right. He broke his wheel on me.
I must have hit your wheel.
Yeah, I guess you did.
Got in my way.
That's
Good
great.
job, Jimmy. That was so
That was so
fun.
good.
Thanks, though.
Good stuff, dude.
Damn. All right, my next, I gotta challenge Chelsea at Toge. That's my next goal.
Dude, that's the one.
Dude, this shit is way too fun.
It's too fun, dude.
back for the other day.
No, I hit his wheel.
Nice.
Yeah, it was wheel to wheel.
It was wheel to wheel because I
You
heard
mad
it, but
about
then
the
I
other
just
day?
clutch kicked it instead.
That's funny. That happened to Mark.
You said it was a competition battle, so I
as soon as I said that, I told Reese, I was like, he's gonna kill me.
You guys were literally trying to kill each other.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like the first one, you guys were filling each other out. The second one, you guys were full on.
It's definitely more aggression than anything else in that last chase. It was pretty sloppy, but dude, it's so much freaking fun. And whichever way you look at it, it is the best practice ever. Like, you end up just learning new things all the time, no matter if your car's slower, if your car's faster. It is just so incredible. But let me know if you guys think I should challenge Chelsea Denofa to a Toge battle. We're gonna do it today, but his car broke. Grant doesn't want to do Toge. Just boring. Toge tandems are ridiculous. So, and since it's getting close to the weekend, a lot of cars are showing up, and there's a lot of freaking cool cars here. Nisi short long, so we usually come down this hill. You guys know that, but instead of cutting through, it's this full outside line. The hard part is the gearing on the JCX is brutal, and the S chassis is just gappy right here. So I gotta pull some sneaky stuff. What'd you do?
Nothing's broken.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, just the tires and the back and thing.
You think I got this tomorrow?
I think so. Same tires as last time.
Yo, let me borrow this.
I'm supposed to be driving this. I don't know if I want to do it.
All right, there's like 10 minutes left. Let's see if we can get some practice in. It's a weird layout, isn't it?
Yeah. difficult. You have to do the midline and the flick.
He was driving really well, so this should be a good lead. Proper consistent. Not too bad, not too bad. I can do better though.
Kane, what did you do? These things are so rare.
Don't look at it. It's getting fixed.
It is getting
And the
fixed.
Uras is coming back. It's a 4-month wait for the Uras kit.
Yeah.
4 months. All going purple. It's gonna have the Uras kit.
Were you going Team Toshi?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
shit.
yeah, Alpha Project all over it, so it's gonna be good.
Damn, big Kansai boy now.
Trying. Got Mayhan in a week again.
I love the end of the day is probably the best part, where everyone's just like parked, hanging out, fixing their cars. Wi-Fi is always fixing something. Wi-Fi, what'd you do? You got a hammer in your hand. Okay.
I just neglected to fix it, and then now we might as well. That was like 4 days ago.
Nice.
Yeah, it's done.
These things just turn into paper mache, but. Yo, I'm.
Josh?
No, what he said.
Wow,
Look at all these turbos, dude. Quad turbo JZ Grant.
Grant just be blowing up turbos every other day.
I was 6
That's
couplets.
100
Oh, now you want tools.
Yeah.
Now you want
Yo,
tools.
Grant, if I brought B-Haul here with a come along, how much money do you think you'd make?
Dude, I brought Reed here. I just see him. I walk away. He's hammering dolly in people's quarters.
Transform my car.
Oh yeah, you
Fucking
did
a
fix it.
banana.
Oh my god. Grant said get my camera out.
Well, I gave them a breaker bar with an extension. He says
This is not the one.
he
You
says
gave the shoulder one.
yeah. He says you just hook it under the frame rail and start the car.
Hey, you
and
never
it'll
seen that? You never key bump the crank pulley off?
break. No.
No?
I have impact guns.
I was gonna say this is something Jimmy would definitely know about.
Why is that?
I don't know. I feel like Jimmy knows all the little secrets.
You get it out of gear.
So I mean, I've done it to put serpentine belts on before, but I've never done it to take a 600 foot-pound crank pulley.
Yeah. So
Battery in.
yeah. So he's in the starter. He's going to rotate the crank, which will then blast the
never
crank
done
pulley
this?
ball.
I've never done it.
Theoretically, it should work. But
Theoretically.
some
It works,
crank
it
pulleys
works.
are really tight.
Like this one.
Yeah. So
What's he gonna do? Lift the car up?
No.
no, it's just going
You'll be right.
So Jay-Z's,
Make sure it's in neutral.
the crank pulleys just go flying off because they're like rubber seals. I'm actually surprised it doesn't happen more. You got a fucking alarm system on this thing?
It's dangerous in these parts.
Just bump it. Just dink, dink.
This car's running. I'm just gonna let it run.
Shut up.
Watch your fucking faces.
Bump.
Oh!
Again?
Again? The car is jumping.
Yeah, it is.
Do it again. All right, here.
Wait.
Yeah, give us some room to slap down. That might be the original crank pulley bolt.
It's all about the
Tight, dude.
Jay-Z wants it really
Again.
tight.
Ready?
Oh!
Once more.
Ready?
Yeah. Damn.
Now, wait,
Jay-Z
wait.
ones are tight.
The battery's dead. That's what it is.
The battery's dead?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Well, that would explain it. I'll tell you what, Ebisu will make you creative, as we might have seen that already. Key bump it.
Ready?
Yep. Wow, it worked!
Oh, it worked!
Yeah.
No fucking way!
YouTube magic. We totally didn't just loosen it by hand. All right, so we're back from the track. This angle might be a little weird. Sorry. Battle with Grant, right onto north. He whooped my butt. I had a hard time keeping up with him on this one. That car is so fast, but I'll get him back. Don't you worry. Not my finest run, but it was good fun, dude. Like just going crazy like that with your boys and just having laughs is just what it's all about. Tomorrow is G1 GP. That's where I got to turn it on. And I'm getting on that podium, and I'm excited for it. There's 75 drivers. Last round there was 55. This time there's 75. It's going to be, and everyone's all fired up. A few more days here at Ebisu until we get out into Osaka and get into some fun. Excited for Matsuri. It's always cool to see all the cars that come out, all the people that come out, and the stories that are around it. Then we head down to Osaka, and we can get into some other cool things. Of course, guys, if there's anything you guys want to see, let me know, and we'll get into it. Either way, it's been really cool getting to drive with the boys. from just big train Nishi sessions with the guys to even solid Toge chases, which I'm going to still see if I can get Chelsea to do a Toge battle with me, because I think it would just be way too much fun. But for now, I get some sleep. I'll see you guys soon.